guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate with Into Indie, and today I am doing a live unboxing of my Imperfect Produce box. I'm so excited. I know that a lot of you have used this service before, and for those of you who have not, Imperfect Produce sends you a box of produce, both vegetables and fruit, every week, and the whole idea behind it is the fact that there's a lot of different produce items that go to waste because grocery stores have certain standards. You know, it has to be this big, it has to be, can't be a crooked carrot, this, that, and the other. Just because something is cosmetically challenged doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with the actual produce. I have the little website pulled up here, and fact, 1 in 5 fruits and veggies grown in the US do not meet those standards. The crooked carrot, the curvy cucumber, the undersized apple, which usually cause them to go to waste. With Imperfect Produce, you are still able to use these items and they don't go to waste. So without further ado, let's dig right in. For those of you who don't know, this is Albie. He likes to make an appearance on all of my videos. He's probably ready to get in this box and play with it later. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so one thing I do love about Imperfect Produce is you have the opportunity to customize your box ahead of time. So I customized mine online, so I had an idea of what was coming. That really helped me in order to plan out all my recipes. I am someone who, when I go to the grocery store, I will have, you know, what I'm making Wednesday night, Thursday night, what I'm having for breakfast for the week. I plan that all out so I don't go to the store and go, what am I gonna buy? This looks good, whatever. So let's start off with this ginormous sweet potato. So I don't know anything that is wrong with this, except maybe it's too big. I mean, this looks amazing. Got a sweet potato here. Let's see, any more sweet potatoes in here? What are you doing, crazy? We've got some other potatoes. Now these look a little small, but to be quite honest, I can never eat like a whole potato. So we've got a bunch of these little ones. I think I'm going to roast these with some onions and carrots and chicken. With the sweet potato, I found a recipe online for like a sweet potato taco kind of concoction. So these are my potatoes. Let's see. Oh, here's the onion. 2 yellow onions. And I mean, you guys can see these pretty well. I honestly don't see anything wrong with them. I've actually been to grocery stores that maybe are deemed not so great. I've been to a couple budget grocery stores. I will say Aldi has really good produce, but there are some other ones I've been to when I lived in LA that were not great, and their produce looked way worse than this. So this is, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it at all. So we've got some onions. And then here are the carrots that I will roast. And these carrots aren't even curved. I mean, I have no idea, honestly, what's wrong with these. It's crazy. Oh, and fun fact, Imperfect Produce offers you the price of all the veggies and produce and fruits and everything for 30% less than your average grocery store charges you. So it's a great service. I feel like I'm still saving money and I get fresh produce. Next up, I've got lots of yummy apples. What type of apples are these? These are no-name apples. Oh, that's a plum. So I've got 2 apples right here. And I would say these are probably a little bit smaller than your average apple, but again, I think we were also conditioned to eat huge portions, which is completely unnecessary. This is the size of my fist, smaller than my fist. That's how much you should be eating. Let's see, and then I love plums. So these are gonna make for awesome snacks. Let's see, red plum. And you guys can see there's not even any bruising on it. It looks just fine. Put those over here. This guy's curved. This is a cucumber. So I mean, I will say, I feel like I've seen them curved in the stores, but maybe not. I will definitely be enjoying this with some of my hummus that I just picked up yesterday too. Nice little snack. And then I've got some lovely lettuce. I mean, like, look at how green this is. It's not wilted. It's clean. There's nothing wrong with this. Oops, I keep dropping things. This must be another apple. And then finally, I have these nectarines or peaches. I think these are peaches. So you guys can see, got 3 of them. And again, nothing wrong. I think with the name like Imperfect Produce, you expect to like get like one that's like really small or something that's very visually apparently wrong with them. There's nothing here. So, and this is the size of the box. I got the 12.5-pound one, which I believe is the small box. You can get them, this box is made for 1 to 2 people. I think you can get it up to 6 to 8 people maybe. It just depends on what you pick out. And like I said, you get to customize your box so you know what's coming. You can just let them order it for you too. But I like it because they will tell you what's in season, and that way, like I said, you can plan your recipes. So this is a big guy. I can't wait to use this one. So cool. What do you think, Albie? You hungry? So yeah, that is my Imperfect Produce box. I will link below to their website, so if you're interested in purchasing one, definitely check them out. Personally, I love delivery services because I am always so short on time, and I, to be honest, hate going to the grocery store. So to be able to get produce fresh to my door is just so easy. I love it. And I'm looking forward to next week. I may try to order some things that I haven't cooked with, just to kind of get like a, you know, hey, I've got like a new squash that I've never cooked before, and you know, to put me out of my comfort zone and kind of force me to learn something new. So until then, this is all my produce. Ah, cool. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Bye.